We're out at Cabo de Palos, having a little sit down by the seaside on these lovely rocks. Look at the lovely rocks going out to sea. It's a port here, a little fishing port, and back over that way there's a lot of little fish restaurants, isn't there?
Yep. And they're busy.
They are busy.
Yeah, very busy. And it's a weekday. Yeah.
Well, we met somebody.
Yeah.
So Wendy and I are out walking down at Cabo de Palos, and look who we meet. Fellow vloggers.
Hello. Yep.
Here we are.
We spotted you.
Yeah. So we're just wandering around down here, having a lovely time. Our first time down at Cabo.
Is it?
Oh, it's our first time
Our
too.
first time.
Yeah.
Chosen
Food.
completely by random.
The paella was absolutely
Yeah,
Really good paella.
We had a 4-person one. It came out and filled half the table.
Massive thing.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So if you haven't been to the channel, I'll put a link to your channel
Thank you very much.
in the description below.
We
There's a
are
link.
Gadget John on tour.
That's right, yeah.
Just so you know. And then you have what we like to call Lord Virgo.
It's
Because of
Greg
his
Virgoe.
many subscribers.
Yes.
Yeah. So,
Hello everybody.
yeah. You have a channel as well?
Yes, yeah, Greg Virgoe. It's just under my name.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, we've
Well, we'll
been-
put a link to that as well.
We've been travelling in our van for about 18 months now,
Fantastic.
living in it full time. This is our second time out in Europe. And met up with these reprobates.
Well, you're pretty much the same as us then. We're living full time in ours. This is our second time
Okay.
to Europe.
Yeah, this is a 6-month stretch for us, so we're hoping to cover a lot more ground.
Yeah,
This one.
yeah.
Make it sound like a prison sentence. It's the opposite.
Oh, yeah, it is totally. I can definitely think of worse things to be.
Yeah, so you see the full-time van lifestyle is very, very popular, isn't it?
And tough.
And tough.
So tough.
Look how tough it is. Look how tough it is. It's really, really bad.
Yeah, we're
The
really
worst
struggling
thing,
with
the worst thing about it, I think, is sunburn.
Oh yeah. I know, I had to do this and shave my neck earlier from the sun. Like a hip hop star.
Yeah. So, what van have you got now?
It's a Jakarta, just a panel van conversion, PVC.
Ah, right. Yeah.
We're
We don't like to say what it's actually built because we're ashamed to say that
it's Autotrail.
Autotrail Tribute 70.
It's a tribute.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Started
that's right.
off as
Yeah.
a tribute.
Yeah.
But now we've had to fix it so many times, it's like an ode rather than a tribute.
Slightly modified. But
Well, I've got a thing about vans and their quality.
yeah.
You'll know about that.
Yeah.
It was amazing, isn't
Yeah,
it?
that was so lovely.
Who you meet in lovely places like this.
We know them through the YouTube,
Yeah.
and you feel you know them. You just talk to them like they're, just their friends.
yeah,
and you're just
so,
like, that's so nice.
As we were walking along, Gadget John said, he almost waved at me and said, "I know you." So that was a nice sort of
nice.
meet up.
Oh, it's nice to meet people.
Really nice, and it's good to. I mean, they're parked sort of locally to here, in a sort of car park stroke air, just up on the hill over there. We've not seen where they are yet, but I don't think we're going to walk up there because we're on walking rations at the moment, aren't we?
We are, yes. Just
We're
doing
not,
a little bit, yes.
We're not walking that far.
No.
But I mean, it's such a beautiful day.
Yeah.
There's a little bit of a chill, isn't there?
Oh,
But
minute.
when that sun comes out, it's a bit cloudy over at the moment. When that sun comes out, it's actually really, really nice and warm.
I don't really need this jacket on.
No.
And we will sit outside and
think-
have a cold beer,
I
and
think
it
we're
won't
gonna-
be cold at all, will
We're
it?
going to try the local bar just there. There's a lot of restaurants up. Mostly fish, I think.
Yes.
As it should be, and it will be beautifully fresh.
It will
so
be. You can see the fishermen there sorting their nets out all along the side.
Here comes
there,
that
won't they?
sunshine.
Yeah, here coming.
Wow. Yeah. You can really feel
Yeah.
the heat of it. It's really, really nice. But there you go. That's
Yeah.
another day out for us.
yes.
We've driven down in the car, but it's an easy bike
Yes,
ride
it is easy, yes.
from the campsite.
Yeah. No
So
distance.
that's really
it's
nice, isn't
no
it?
distance, but it's just because of my leg. It's getting better, but we're getting there.
Yeah.
Yeah, can't do it yet. No, not been on the bike since, but
No. No. But we will be back
yeah,
on the
we will
bikes
be, yeah,
pretty soon.
yeah,
But there you go. Thanks so much
Yes,
for watching.
thank
That's
you.
all from us today.
yeah.
And don't forget to subscribe and click the like button, plus the little bell icon, so that we can send you a reminder whenever we upload a new video. Say goodbye, Wend.
Yep. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
And you. Goodbye.